Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to create a savings account in Halifax. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing you need to do here is you need to go to their official website, which is going to be halifax.co.uk. Now from here in the official website, what we need to do is we need to go to the top left here, which is the menu section. So let's go and click on it. Now from here, locate the section for savings, and when you hover savings, you should be able to see the available savings accounts that you could open in their account or in their website here. In this case, you have easy access savings account, fixed term savings account, kids savings account, joint savings account, and compare savings account if you want to compare those plans. Now in this case, let's go ahead and choose the easy access savings account here. Now, once you click on it, it's going to load up another web page wherein you'll be able to see different information about the easy access savings account. Now, when you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see the offers for this specific savings account. So we have the reward bonus saver, and ISA bonus saver, and a lot more. Now, in this case, go ahead and choose the offer that you want to use. Like, for example, I want to use the bonus saver here. Now from here, once you click on it, it's going to load up that specific web page for that specific offer. Now from here, just scroll down a bit until you see the section that says open a bonus saver account. Now in this case, go ahead and click on open now. Now if you don't want to continue the application via their website, you could use the following other ways for you to basically apply. So first is by calling the following numbers, which is available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Or you could go ahead and book the nearest or book for appointment on the nearest location for Halifax. But in this case, let's just click on open now. And from here on the next page, what we need to do is you just need to answer a bit of information about yourself, about your income, and any personal information that will be used to open up your account here. Now in this case, go ahead and just fill out all the necessary details, and from there, you should be able to submit your application for a Halifax savings account. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.